In this video, I will show you step by step how you can start a faceless YouTube channel without showing your face and without using your voice and without investing any money. This will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys, so you just need to follow those steps and let's get started. I already have like 5 faceless YouTube channels that's making me a lot of money every single month. Like this channel, as you can see, made $13,707 in the last 28 days, okay, as you can see over here. And this channel is making up to $772 in one single day, okay, $646, $665. As you can see, I will re-upload this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake and it's not a screenshot, okay. So let's see if the numbers will be the same numbers, and then I will show you guys the method that you can use to start making faceless YouTube videos and start making money from YouTube without showing your face, okay. So let's see if the numbers will be the same numbers, and here you go. As you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers, okay. And they have another channel, like I said, they have like 5 faceless YouTube channels, and this channel in the month of March made $5,703, okay. It's making $200 per day up to $277 per day, $225 per day. So anyway, for people who want to start making money on YouTube without showing your face, without using your voice, I already did a lot of research for you guys, and I found an easy niche that anyone can start without any skills in editing and without any experience, okay. And this is the niche: making study YouTube videos for people who study, okay, like this channel over here. So this is a faceless YouTube channel. Like this channel is, the owner of this channel is not showing his face or using his voice. He is just making like those videos. They are super easy to make, okay. And as you can see, those videos are getting a million of views. Like this one is close to 3 million views, and this video is still getting views, okay. Today is still getting views because those videos are evergreen videos, meaning that like those videos can keep getting views for years, or even for a month, or even for years, okay, because those videos are evergreen content, okay. They are not trending videos, and they are super easy to make. Like this one, 1.5 million views. And if we click over here on view channel state, you can see that this channel got 1.5 million views in the last 13 days, okay. So this channel is really making a lot of money, guys. 5,000 new subscribers, that's really good, and it's already monetized. For people who are asking, will ask again in the comments, you cannot monetize those channels, then why this channel is monetized? This channel is already monetized and it's making a lot of money, okay. So to start making like those videos, it's super easy. So first, go to Google, search for Canva, okay. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Canva. It's super easy. So just click over here on video, and it's for free. You will be directly in this page over here. What you need to do next is you need to click over here on elements, okay, and click on the search and search for working on laptop, okay. Search for working on laptop, click on videos, okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of videos here that you can use. So let me find a good video that we can use. Then I will show you how you can add a background music and so much more, okay. So you can scroll down, give it time to find good videos that you can use, okay. So for example, let's see if we can find a good one, okay, like this one. For example, this one is looking really good. So let me see. You just need to scroll down until you find a good video that you can use, okay. So we have a lot of videos here. For example, I will use this one. Okay, let's use this one for example. So just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background like this. Click on add page and add the same video. Okay, just use the same video because people who are studying, they just interested to listening to the background music. Okay, click over here on more and click on set video as background, add another video and keep adding more videos like this. Okay, you should make those videos long. Okay, let me show you. Let's add this one here and I will add this one here and I will add another one here like this. Okay, I will add again this one here and here you go. What you need to do next is you need to add the background music. Okay, and of course for free. So let me show you how you can get free background music. Go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, just open your YouTube homepage, search for background music no copyright. Okay, and you can find this channel over here on YouTube, no copyright background music. Scroll down to this channel and click on playlist and here you go. You will find a lot of videos here or a lot of background music videos that you can download and use it. Okay, it's for free. You will not get any copyright issue with YouTube because those background music are for free. You can use those for free. Okay, you can see over here free and save no copyright background music. Okay, so what you will do, let me show you. You can, so like I said, click on playlist and so for those for like those videos you should use, let me show you which background music you should use. Like you should, let me see, spring cooking, you need to use like focus, like those, like for example this one, focus. Okay, focus music like this one will be really good. This one relaxing will be also really good. Inspirational like those background music, calm like this one, like those background music also will be really good. Okay, and how we can download those background music, let me show you. So let's click on video. If we scroll down, let me see if we can find, for example, let's say for example you want to add this one, inspiring. Click on this 3 points, click on share. Okay, and click on copy the link of this video. And what you will do next, go to Google. Okay, search for YouTube, download YouTube music video, scroll down, click on this link, convert YouTube to MP3 fastest. Okay, to meta, this one, click on this link, you will be directly in this page over here. Just put the link of the video. Let me show you. Let me just remove those ads from here. Okay, and just put the link of your video here and click on download. Okay, and this background music will be download to your laptop. And what you will do next, you will go back to your Canva homepage like this, to this Canva when you made your video, and you will click over here on upload and click on upload file. Okay, and upload the background music from your laptop. This is the background music that I download. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click on open and here you go. Your background music will be uploaded to your Canva account. So click on the first page over here and click on your background music like this, and your background music will be added to your video. Okay, and go again, like I said, keep adding more videos and click over here on add, keep adding more videos like this one to make your video long. Okay, let me show you. Your video should be long like this channel. As you can see, you can make it, just make those videos like just to 1 hour. It's really good. Okay, 1 hour and start publishing. Okay, As you can see, those videos are long. This channel is uploading those videos, they are long. Okay, let's go back to Canva. And you can also, if you want to add another background music, you should add another background music. Just click over here on the page that you, in the end of this page, for example, and click on the new background music, download, go back to this YouTube channel and download another background music. Okay, then upload this background again to your Canva account and click over here in the end of this page. For example, I want to add new background music here to make your video good. Click on your background music again like this. As you can see, let me click on add page. So first let me show you. I'm gonna delete this one. First you need to finish this one first. Okay, so when you will finish this video with this video will be matched with the background music, then you can click here in the end of this video and you can click on the new background music, and here you go, you can add new background music and add the same video. Okay, so I think it's clear. Okay, so I will just delete this one. I don't want to make this video too much long for you guys. I just want to show you the method that you can use. Okay, and here you go, you just made this video super easy. It will take just a few minutes. Okay, let's check. And here you go guys, as you can see, it's a really amazing and professional, good quality, good background music for free, videos for free. After you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and start a faceless YouTube channel like this one. It's already monetized, it's making money. I shared with you guys what's working. Okay, I'm not sharing with you what's not working. It's already working. If this one got monetized and if his videos are getting views, okay, million of views, so why not your videos will not, why not your channel will not grow, and why not you will not succeed? If this one did it, why not you? Okay, it's, you just need, so the difference between those people who, for example, who made like those videos and you, those people don't quit. They start, like for example, if they start in this niche, they will stick in this niche until they succeed. Okay, they will keep improving, keep making more videos, keep improving their strategies, making more videos, stay consistent. Of course they will succeed and they got monetized and they are making a lot of money. Okay, as you can see, and it's super easy to make like those videos. As you can see, just showing someone working on the laptop and add the background music, and that's it, like this. Okay, it's like this. It's super easy. So that's the, this is, I think this is the easiest niche that you guys can start as a beginner, but you need to stay consistent because YouTube need time, and if you stay consistent you will grow your YouTube channel fast and you can make money from YouTube without you don't need to show your face and you don't need to use your voice. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you want to see more videos like this about YouTube automation business and you want me to share with you guys new niches that you can start as beginner, please comment in this video YouTube automation and I will start making a lot of videos and I will do a research for you guys and find a profitable niches for you and show you how we can start. Okay, and see you in my next videos.